a few cool things happening today. We're actually going to what is a Spec D event, which is where they do a lot of competitions, big competitions for drift pros.
You move from Spec D level
to Pro Spec,
which is part of Formula D. Well, I mean, technically it makes this part of Formula D.
Right.
The big Formula D events, it's the step towards that.
So crazy. There was a competition yesterday and all those pro cars are here in that area and they did their competition at that track, and then we're going today to go drift with the pros. So it's the Pro Bro Down. There'll be some really sick cars. We're gonna Twitch stream it, and there's a special guest coming today and he's absolutely hilarious and I'm so excited to meet him. His name is Green Beans Deli on Instagram, and he's gonna come drifting and I cannot wait to see his reaction.
That was super silly. I thought we were running on time. Like I was like vibing this morning. Turns out I did the math wrong and we were an hour late.
What time is it?
I don't even know anymore. I realized also my tires needed to be changed, so I'm rushing with the tires and the live stream. We're gonna see how it goes. Thank you, Rain City Motorsports, for letting me try these tires and supporting my need for speed. And for anyone wondering, we're at Agassiz Speedway. I don't understand this open drift. Do I have to go with the pros? What does this mean? Oh shit. Excuse my language. Oh shit. We're starting. I mean butts. One line up in on my in. I'm in the tandem line. I'm in the tandem line. I messed up. Yeah. Can you let the guy know behind me? I didn't realize this was the tandem line and I want to go alone. Okay. Thank you. Woo! Guys, too hot, too hot, too hot. Came out a little strong. I might have had too much coffee. I think I'm in the right lineup this time. Okay, not too hot, not too hot. So fun. I'm happy. Let's get off the track. You guys are about to be bombarded by Matt and myself. I think the energy of today is gonna go off the charts.
It's gonna be a nerd off. Yeah.
Nerd off.
Hey.
Hi.
What's going on? How are you?
Hi, Trevor.
What's up, brother?
Thanks
Nice
for
to
the
meet you.
invite. We're so
Hey,
excited.
Cassandra, how are you?
Good, how are you?
I'm a little nervous, but I like being scared.
Okay.
Yeah?
Yeah, I like it. I like it.
So if you get scared, you just say, but I think you'll
I mean, I think we're good because we all wore diapers today, so.
We gotta do it.
That's the side you'll be riding on.
Why is there blood all on that?
That's just a paint job.
Oh, shoot.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Should we go look at the track before we... Yeah, take us off. Let's check that out.
This is our track.
Holy smokes. I thought there was like 100 cars going around up there, the amount of noise that guy's making. I was like, how are you going to get out there? There's so many cars out there. There's one car.
It's a special event where you get to drift with the pros.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay, let's see. You go first, hon. Just in case. If anything happens to you, then I'm around to take care of the kids.
Yeah. No, I will be sacrificing one of my boys first.
You're gonna put a kid in there first?
Yep.
Who's going there?
Who's the first victim?
Holy, I forgot how tall I was.
Yeah, and it's a tight squeeze. I'm so sorry. Are you scared?
Not really. I've been in my fair share of fast cars, so.
Okay, so
I've
then you'll
never
probably be used to this.
Yeah.
And then you'll want a drift car after.
That was fun. That was fun. Oh, Lord.
It's a tight squeeze. Have you ever been in a car when it's like going fast?
Yeah, my dad goes fast all the time.
Okay. So that's pretty much what we'll be doing. Except just like no traction. I went too wide. I'm so sorry. Are you okay?
No, that was cool.
I totally hit them.
Hold on, let's check your bumper.
Trevor's doing some technical stuff right now.
Oh.
We got the bumper off.
That looks way better.
Yeah, I think I like it better like that. Nice work, Kingston. I can't wait to see your mom's reaction. I'm so excited.
Oh, she's gonna shit her pants. Oh yeah, it's stuck.
Oh, the trailer's stuck.
Go back, go back, go back.
All the drifters helping out. This is what drifting is. This is so good. I love the teamwork. You're the best, Clinton.
You got this.
You got this. Oh!
Here, hold up.
Oh, it's the root. Nice, they're free. So good. Okay, back to drifting, guys. Okay, out of 10, how much do you trust me? You just met me.
9.5.
9.5?
Yeah.
Really? Okay, out of 10 now, how scared are you?
8.
8? I hope you're gonna scream.
Are we going with them?
No, but we're gonna go with Trev in the back.
Okay.
Here we go. Are you okay?
Scariest things I've ever done, but it was fun.
Yeah, you did it. We're gonna go with these guys here.
Are these guys pros or what?
I don't know.
Oh, you don't know. Great.
Out of 10, how scared are you?
10.
10 now?
Yes.
How are you doing? You said you brought a diaper, right?
Yep, I wore my diaper.
Okay, good.
Now I gotta check it.
You got the full experience.
Holy that was so fun.
What, we get in
I
here?
don't know. That was.
Oh,
Oh yeah, sorry.
oh.
I forgot to warn him. Can you get?
Okay.
Oh. Hey, you're tall.
Is this okay?
Yeah.
Feel like we're going on a roller coaster.
Ready?
I'm a bit scared, to be honest with you.
Yeah?
Yeah, a little bit.
That's okay.
Yeah. Okay.
That's
a
what
normal
it's all
reaction.
About, face and fears. We're ready.
You feel like you're gonna frickin' smash right into them.
Plug your Insta so everyone can find you.
Greens and Beans Deli if you want to see a total idiot selling food off a lunch truck. That's
Guys-
my Instagram.
He's so funny.
I have a sandwich. It's called the Green Bastard.
Really?
It's chicken, bacon, chipotle, mayo, cheese, lettuce, tomatoes, cucumbers on toasted whatever bread you like. It's
Now
killer.
I'm hungry.
We had McDonald's for breakfast today. That was a good one. That was a good
The guy
run.
behind me?
He was right on you
He was
too.
right on
That
me.
was really good. For new people,
Yes.
how do you learn it?
To...
Do they have like an orientation or something?
No, there's no
You
orientation.
just walk around and just start making friends, talking to people, asking questions?
Exactly, that's the community. He was so chill about it.
Jeez. I was just acting cool.
Were you?
Yeah, I'm really gonna cry when I get out. I might go over there. If you see me over there, I'll be crying.
Okay, I won't come over there and video you.
Thanks for not killing me.
You're so welcome. Yeah, no
That
problem.
was awesome. Really nice to meet you.
Nice to meet
Hey.
you too. It's so nice to meet
Yeah,
you.
nice to meet you too. We're gonna see each other again.
Yes. Watch the happy people walk away. You are sweaty.
I'm sweaty.
Me too. Oh yeah, I gotta check my tires because they're gnarly right now. Okay guys, pit cam.
Pit cam, hi.
such a sick car. Look at that. Looks so good.
You get your wheels from your truck. They're in your truck.
Oh, they're so far away. I had to park really far away today, guys, so I don't want to make Trevor grab my wheels because he's being really kind and
Oh, we're working together.
helping me. Oh, the wheels look so sick. Do they off-road with that?
It's all lifted.
See, look, his bumper's gone too, guys. The pros do it. We've got the pierogi car. I call it the pierogi car.
It is.
It's so good. And then this is where I parked like a jerk.
Bunch of tires.
Here we go. I'll do one tire and then I'll come back for it. This is gonna be a really long changing tire scene, guys. This is tire cam. This is hard. One-handed. Okay, there we go. Oh, that's better. Oh no, it's drunk.
Work smarter, not harder.
Yeah, shut up, I just discovered it. Oh no, oh no. Okay, you know what? It's not a competition. Okay, nice. We're good. Got the gun. And it's very organized in here. Don't even worry about it. Star pattern. When I take these off, we always star pattern. It's more important when you are putting your tire on for star pattern so that it equally disperses the angle of which the tires are going on, all that technical stuff. But I always do star pattern when I take it off too, because then it makes me remember that I need to do star pattern when I put them on. Oh yeah. Did we do good? Pretty chunky. Totally shredded. Super chunky. Ooh, in a shiny spot. It's the short people technique for putting on tires. I balance it and shimmy it with my feet. Star pattern. Ish. Oh, that was a little too much, but that's okay. Star pattern. Don't forget to torque in a star pattern. Socket in a socket, dude. It works. Hit this one yet? I can't remember. This is drifting. This is what you gotta do. What are you doing, Trevor, right now?
Well, I might be able to just wire it. I'm just seeing. I think it could just work.
He's changing your point of view. He's changing your world.
A little zap strap love. That's gonna be a cool angle.
Yeah. He just changed one of the camera angles for the stream live with everybody watching. Guys, say hi to the vlog. Say hi. Hey, you guys are gonna make the vlog. Let's get drifting soon. Trev's just strapping some stuff down because he got creative and excited. And we're gonna go burn some rubber. Okay, new layout. Don't be dumb. Don't be dumb. That was dumb. This is like one of my first Spec-D events that I've been drifting at. And these are pro drivers on the track. And it's very intimidating because I'm a grassroots drifter. More speed, more speed. That was embarrassing, but it's okay. I spun out. Oh, you know what I didn't do, guys? I didn't check my tire pressure. Need to show the pros I'm better than what we just did. Yeah, did you want to come in my car?
I do?
Yeah?
Is that okay?
Yeah? Do you have a helmet? If not, I have one for you. I don't know if he's going with me or not. Yeah? Oh, shit. Oh! He has a lot more power than I do, so it's gonna be hard for me to keep up. But okay. I'm gonna do my best. Guys, we're doing it with a pro car, and I'm right behind them. This is, I think, Matt, who just won the Spec-D. Oh, it's so good! I can't see anything! That was a lot of smoke, and he was so fast. Yeah, he was. He was. You kept up to him, I felt, though. Thank you. Such a rad day. I can't believe I got to drift with one of the pros. Got a helmet on, right? Yep. Cool, cool, cool. Please, pro car, please be there still. He's still there. Yes. You want to go first? You want to go second? He's going to go with me. Ah! Okay, be cool, be cool. I definitely tried to do my best pro line. I want to go with him now. It's my turn. Oh no, but I'm overheating. Cool down, cool down. I want to chase you. Yeah. Guys, I get to drift with the pro car. Okay, cool down, engine. Come on, you got this, you got this. Trev wants to go with us. He's like, please let me go. I'm overheating. We're gonna go head back. We'll go back. That was so fun. That was amazing. What would you rate your experience out of 10? A 10. 10? 10, 10, 10. Nice. Thank you guys for coming for another one. This one worked out so good. There was so much great stuff.
So much great stuff.
You were killing it. Guys, today was such a sick stream. There was guests, there was ride-alongs, and then I also got to drift with some of the pro cars. Got to ride with Matt. Oh, so good! He is competing right now, and I have taken his lessons before, so it was so cool to be able to drift with him. I think he's just packing up over here. This is the car, not this one, and reveal. And this is Matt. Hey, Matt. Say hi to the vlog.
How's it going, guys?
Oh, Matt, you're competing right now, yeah?
We were, yeah. We finished up yesterday.
And what did you place yesterday?
We got first.
What? And then your last run, please correct me if I'm wrong, will be at Mission Raceway?
Yeah, our last round is at Mission Raceway. Looking at points, if I looked at them right, I think we only really have to roll up to the line in top 16 to get the license, but we want to sweep it. We still want 3 in a row. We want to just beat it all.
So if you win,
yeah,
you get your pro license and you get to go drift in Formula D drifting.
Yeah, we'll be in pro spec.
Guys, that's huge. That's so amazing and so hard to do.
It is.
What is your name?
My name's Jesse.
You nailed it.
Yeah.
You're not that bad on camera.
I know what to do with my hands.
Jesse is driving one of the pro cars. He let me drive with him. And you're killing it at the Spec D. Whoa, are you gonna do it? Point blank?
So scared.
He told me about Drift
Drift Week. Yes. So much fun down in the U.S.
So maybe one day we go to Drift Week together?
We'll see what happens.
Guys, I can't. That'd be so sick, but don't tell anybody.